Dad, no. Dad, it's not starting there.
It is, trust me.
No.
Woo! Okay, guys, we are here at, I think is it Eden Falls? The trail itself is the Lost Valley Trail, but the falls is Eden Falls.
No.
I honestly could die right now.
Okay, we're all walking this way now. Just following the
I
water.
want to go over there and see how that comes out though.
So we just walked through all that
I like
right there.
constantly envision myself dying.
Vandalism.
Woo!
Vandalism.
We made it out. It's really rocky, but this is the way that you get to it without taking the trail. That's the trail right there where those people are. But then we went through the waterfall, so we're going a different way. But we went the adventurous way. Okay, this is the cave. Gonna see if you guys can see in it.
I have one on my phone.
Cave.
I went in.
That's the trail over there. So like the trail goes to the cave, but it's like a long way around. We're going in? Who all's going in?
But it's dark. I've already.
Cathedral?
Right?
You're going up? I'll go up. I'm going up there. Right up there where they are going. All the way up there. We're still in like this little river. I think that most of the time if it rains, it probably is underwater. But since it's not, we're gonna go up here.
Yeah, what are you risky by now? Almost like a squat.
Oh, Hayden, where?
Wait.
Everyone see Emma right there. She's wow, this is really pretty. We're inside like a ginormous cave.
You guys coming?
Yeah.
Emma.
be touring this waterfall.
Why did you say tour? Why did you say
Tour.
tour?
That's what it is.
No,
Like
no.
tour
And I
tour.
watched.
It's a tour.
The tour, not tour. No.
I know. I didn't know you were. We're eating
That's going in
lunch.
the vlog.
Eating lunch.
Hey, pass those noodles. I smell them.
Purposely, that's the only difference of it?
No, I have different acumen. It gives you different.
Yeah, I have a 40. I have.
Is it really worth it?
You guys want to do the
Physical appearance over happiness.
It's amazing. Oh, yeah.
Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then give it a thumbs up and make sure you press the red subscribe button and the bell next to it for more videos in the future. I will see you guys in my next one.